Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. 8 persons die in flash flood in Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal. Prime Minister announces 2 lakh rupees ex gratia for bereaved families. Meghalaya contractual teachers intensifies protest demanding reinstatement of their jobs. East Janta Hills DTO launches Nangba Youth Awakening Movement ambulance. And women welfare organization Sinra Juwai felicitates meritorious students of SSLC and HSSLC. The news in detail. In West Bengal, at least 8 people died and several were feared missing in West Bengal's Mal Bazar in Jalpaiguri district after they were swept away due to flash floods in Mal River during Durga Visarjan on Wednesday night. According to sources, the incident took place around 8:30 p.m. yesterday as several people entered the Mal River to take part in the Durga idol immersions. The sudden rise in the water level caught them unaware and several people were swept away. Meanwhile, rescue operations are underway and National Disaster Response Force and civil defense personnel have been deployed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees from Prime Minister's National Relief Fund to be given to the next of kin of each deceased. The police lobbed tear gas on protesting contractual teachers while they were marching towards Secretariat today. It may be mentioned that the contractual teachers have been protesting for over a month demanding their reinstatement. As the contractual teachers moved towards Secretariat on October 6, the police lobbed tear gas canisters into the crowd as they became uncontrollable. Present at the site were children, including a 1-year-old child, the son of one of the teachers. The chairperson of State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Yamon M. Same, also visited the place today.
This charge by the district administration against the teacher, it is violence against the human rights. Because from the Mot Kianglongba, I have already announced, don't do anything harmful, because with us, the pregnant teachers, along with us, the children come along with us. Then why the police department and district administration charge this tear gas?
The District Transport Officer, East Janta Hills District, Ram Hinch, yesterday released the ambulance for the Nangba Youth Awakening Movement NYAM, which was sponsored by the Star Cement Lom Chnong. Speaking as the chief guest, Ram Hinch urged upon citizens to be responsible with the use and function of the ambulance, for it will be of great help for the public and the village. The function was held at Nangba in the presence of the local headman, Tonroy Yongwai, Dr. P. Shilla in charge Jowai Blood Bank, MDC Lakhon Biam, among others. The NYAM and Ijingim ABDO Catholic Youth Mintdu also held a blood donation drive for the Blood Center Civil Hospital Jowai at Dorbar Hall, Mukois Aim, Nangba.
And they welcome the government security kepada ini susah ini. Memang jadi security yang urusnya itu sebenarnya. Kata per mengalami itu security yang ini mana cuma melihat dia bekerja. Tapi bagian kantor ada mesti ada bulan kami bekerja. Urusnya bulan ini. Orang bulan itu kami bekerja semua.
The women welfare organization Sinra Juwai yesterday organized a felicitation program at Lumpirdi Yongpia Community Hall. MLA of Juwai, Wailat Miki Shilla, felicitated the students who have topped in the SSLC and HSSLC examinations, including 1 topper from HSSLC and 2 toppers from SSLC. Addressing the gathering, Sheila lauded the services rendered by the organization in spite of the various hardships in the community and also to educate the youth about the importance of being an educated person in the society. Sheila also contributes an amount of 1 lakh to the organization as an assistant in their community's activities.
Kami daw ni dapat naging senyaw yero. Ya kanita Women Welfare Organization. Kami kerja group yang ini. Itu mana kita group terpangha. Untuk dan ini kami ini kerja group ini kiri dua start yang kepercayaan. Henry ini kerja group yang ini ko nadok lendai dan Thai. Nadok ipori warim wajah. Neki long chua ki man chua ki yang ini. Ida bo iya ke man bay tak buah kemata.
The Khasi Students Union or KSU North Khasi Hills District Unit yesterday felicitated mixed martial arts fighter Daniel Damblong from Ribhoi for bagging gold medal from the National MMA Championship fight on the event held from September 30th to October 2nd in Hyderabad, Telangana. The 3-day event was organized by the All India Mixed Martial Arts Association and Daniel Damblong representing Meghalaya under the leadership of his coach Chorus Marwen. At the 36th National Games, services continue to dominate medals tally with 89 medals, followed by Haryana with 66 medals. The National Games 2022 is being held across 6 cities: Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot and Bhavnagar in Gujarat. Almost 7,000 athletes from 28 Indian states, 8 union territories and services, the sports team of the Indian Armed Forces are competing for medals in 36 different sports. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 71%, while in the evening it was 83%. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. 8 persons die in flash flood in Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal. Prime Minister announces 2 lakh rupees ex gratia for bereaved families. Meghalaya contractual teachers intensifies protest demanding reinstatement of their jobs. East Janta Hills DTO launches Nangba Youth Awakening Movement ambulance. And women welfare organization Saint Rajuai felicitates meritorious students of SSLC and HSSLC. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.